Bank of America faces internal disputes and power struggles, leading to the resignation of its CEO, Ken Lewis, by 2011.
First, he lost a chairmanship. Now he's getting ready to leave the top spot. Bank of America's CEO Ken Lewis steps down in December.
The new CEO is Brian Moynihan. He grew up in a large Roman Catholic family in Marietta, Ohio, the sixth of 8 children in a middle-class household.
Just like the founder, Giannini, Moynihan was known for his humility and a very down-to-earth style. He knows that in the end, the banking business is all about confidence.
To truly boost the bank's finances and image, Moynihan needs someone who can inspire confidence in investors like no one else. Warren Buffett.
Investor Warren Buffett is giving a big vote of confidence to this country's largest bank, Bank of America. Buffett is investing $5 billion in B of A in exchange for a 6% dividend and stock. Bank of America ran into trouble over mortgage investments. The move has already paid off for Buffett. Buffett made $350 million on paper yesterday when stock prices soared.